I painted depression like you never seen before. It's complex, raw, and deeply personal. Understanding depression is hard for outsiders, but here's the truth: you can beat it. Take a control, block time for yourself every day, even if it is just 30 minutes. Do something you love, write down your day in a journal. Here's a little tip: circle the negative words in your journal and color them with your favorite colors. Transform those thoughts into something beautiful. If you would like a coloring sketch to help you unwind, comment sketch and I'll send it to you right away. Let's heal through art together.